Avuncular, the warm, uncle-like quality in language. Imagine a kindly older gentleman, perhaps your favorite uncle, who always greets you with a warm smile and sage advice. This endearing quality perfectly embodies our word of focus today, avuncular. Word type. Avuncular is an adjective, meaning avuncular describes someone or something characteristic of an uncle, especially in being kind, friendly, and benevolent. It extends beyond family relationships to encompass any older person who exhibits a warm, supportive, and often advisory demeanor towards younger individuals. Word history. The term avuncular traces its roots to the Latin word avunculus, meaning maternal uncle. This origin adds depth to our understanding, as it initially referred specifically to uncles on the mother's side before broadening to include all uncles and eventually any person displaying uncle-like qualities. Antonyms. To better grasp the essence of avuncular, consider its opposites: hostile, unfriendly, stern, or aloof. These contrasting terms highlight the warmth and approachability inherent in avuncular behavior. Synonyms. Words that share similar meanings include paternal, fatherly, benevolent, kindly, and genial. While these synonyms capture aspects of avuncular, remember that avuncular specifically evokes the image of a kind uncle figure. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use avuncular in various contexts. The avuncular professor always made time for his students, offering both academic guidance and life advice. Despite being a tough business leader, she had an avuncular approach to mentoring young professionals in her company. His avuncular charm made him a favorite among his nieces and nephews, who always looked forward to his visits. The old shopkeeper's avuncular manner put new customers at ease, making them feel welcome and valued. Common errors in use. Be cautious not to overuse or misapply avuncular. It's specifically about a kindly, uncle-like quality and should not be confused with simply being friendly or approachable. Additionally, while it often applies to older men, it can describe women or institutions that embody these qualities as well. Avuncular is a nuanced and sophisticated word that can elevate your vocabulary in IELTS speaking and writing tasks. By incorporating it appropriately, you demonstrate a refined understanding of interpersonal dynamics and relationships. Remember, the key to mastering this word is to recognize its specific connotation of a wise, kind, and slightly paternal or maternal figure offering guidance and support.